I am not a doctor, but I've discovered a homemade cough syrup recipe that works wonders for my family. By using natural ingredients like oregano oil, grapefruit seed extract, manuka honey, and more, we've found relief without the added sugars that can worsen cold symptoms. With the power of ingredients like colloidal silver, elderberry syrup, and apple cider vinegar, our immune systems are boosted naturally. Try this recipe to soothe your throat and fight off colds. Remember, always consult a physician before trying new remedies. Stay healthy and share the wellness.